Number 41, refer to the following graphs to determine an appropriate response. Which is not the graph of a function and what is its equation? All right, well again, you can take a look at the back inside cover of your textbook. You're going to find there a whole bunch of graphs of functions. So everything on that back inside graph are functions, and you'll see that all of the graphs A, C, and D are pictured there. Graph B is not. So by process of elimination, we can say that graph B is not a function. But another way to determine relatively quickly and easily whether or not you have a graph of a function is to use the vertical line test. And all the vertical line test does is tell us to drop a vertical line through your graph and see how many points does the line you made touch that graph. If it only touches in one place, you have a function. If it touches in more than one place, you do not have a function. So here in graph A, we can drop vertical lines anywhere we want along this graph every time they only touch in a single place. So this is a function. Here with the greatest integer function, well, the name itself kind of gives it away that it's a function. But again, no matter where we drop a vertical line, we're only touching the graph in one place. So this is a function. Here we have the graph of y equals radical x. Again, we can drop a vertical line anywhere we want on this graph. We're only touching in one place. So this is a function. But with graph B, when we drop a vertical line, now look how many times our vertical line touches this graph. It touches in two places. And again, vertical line test tells us that we can only have our vertical line touching in one place. So by the fact that it fails the vertical line test, we know that this is not a function. And the equation of this graph is x equals y squared. All right, really important tool. Vertical line test tells you whether or not your graph is a function.